Okay, hey guys. So today, I'm gonna be showing you my glow in the dark slime. So right now, I'm seeing if I'm focused. I'm recording on my iPod. So yeah, the first thing I do is like flatten it out and all that. Oh, and here's my light, and I'm trying to like charge it up so it like glow in the dark. So yeah, I'm like pressing on, and also to make it flat because I thought it looked really cool flat. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and it's just like kind of new. So give me feedback, guys. So yeah, so I'm just like pressing down, and soon I'm gonna shut off the lights so you guys can actually see. And yes, I'm doing a voiceover, and I'm gonna just like show you. So I'm like holding it down as long as possible on each thing, and then I got really bored, so I decided not to do it anymore. So I just kind of like pressed on it really quickly, and yeah, so see how flat it is, and I'm turning off the lights now. So yeah, and now the lights are off, and I wasn't sure if you could see it, so if you see me like moving around or not, that's why. And I pulled it up close because I didn't know if you could see it. So yeah, I'll say you can see it like really good now. When I was looking at the camera, I didn't know if you could see it. So yeah, so it actually does go in the dark, which is very surprising. I was actually very surprised that that worked. So yeah, yeah, it's not like my best work, but sorry, I'm trying to think of what else to say. Yeah, oh, I wanted to charge it because I didn't know if you could see it, so I started charging it more. And then I let go, and I don't know if you guys can see it here. So where I'm saying I can't really see it. Oh yeah, you can kind of see it actually. And I can see a little stroke of it. Now a dot. Yeah, and now I can't really see it. Okay, now I'm turning the lights back on, and now I'm gonna show you that I can like touch it. So yeah. Sorry guys, I had to turn that upside down. And I turn this over again. So now let's play with it. Okay, I'm putting it down like this. And then I'm gonna squeeze it down like this. Like that, like that, like that, like that. Like that, like that. Let's go. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but like, I don't know, I just need this. You guys see? Okay. You can hear it like popping. Yeah, so anyways, that's my glow in the dark slime. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this, and bye!